I'm also going to change the anchor point here because I'm not really happy with it being, it's a bit off key. So I just select
Okay, welcome to Illustrator. This is to do with the workspaces, right? Today I'm going to show you about the different tools and where they are and the layout of Illustrator. But first, I want to quickly start by showing you this simple sprayer tool, which is here. As you can see, if I click here, more symbols pop up. You can have multiple ones like so. Right, so that's that tool. Then if we do undo spraying, keep going, or to quickly undo, Command Z, and then if we go to symbols, we can have a cube, look there, and there. And this is a bit like word art, and you can have more here, all different ones. There's a ball you can have. You can even scale these up with the scale tool if you want, and do these here. And then let's get rid of all these, clear up this. Then right over here we can select the layout of Illustrator. Then you've got Automation, which is a different layout, or you've got like Photoshop, which is probably the easiest one if you're used to how Photoshop works. And over here you've got all your select tools at the top because they're the most important. You've got selection tool, direct selection, but you've also got a third group selection tool, and as you can see, you click on that and you can highlight and it highlights. You've also got all your tools like your magnetic wand, your lasso tool, your pen tool for drawing, so you can add your points, and you've got your text tool, and you've got like your line tool, and all them mostly that's all the same, like all your tools along here. But over here what's interesting is, as you can see, like if you go to essentials, like this is like the basic, and it only has the essentials one, and then you've got like your layers in the corner, your artboards, and this is the artboard here, and over here's the workspace, and the artboard is the main thing you're working on, and that's the workspace is the outside area, and the essentials is quite basic, but you've got all your colours, and you can click and it will pop up, and this keeps your area clean. But so you've got more space to work. Then this is quite basic, but if you're used to Photoshop, you could have like Photoshop, and then you've got your layers down the bottom, like in Photoshop, where you can control the layers. You've got your colours, like see, because it's group selected, I just changed the whole colours of everything. You've got your symbols as previously shown if you've got up here. You've got all your info, your navigation bar, and your tools. Then you've also got your layers. Like here, you can change your brushes, like how big the brush is. You can change your opacity, and you can change your colour. Like I go to yellow, it's changed to yellow. And then you can change the size of the brush up here, so like 10 points, and then it's made the brush bigger around the outline. You go back to what it was before, 2 points, and it's back to normal. But you've also got other layouts, like if you're used to the program InDesign, although I've never used it, the layout's changed. Like you don't have your layers down here anymore, but you've got like your text tools here. You've got your paragraphs tools, and it's just changed like where it is and what tools are more important in this program. Then you've got your strokes to do with your brush.
Don't forget there's
points
less
here,
than
like 5
3
points and swatches
and then
stuff.
whatever's spare you might be able
Change the
to
colour.
grab and use next door.
Graphs. and then edit. But as you can see within design, like you've still got all the control up here. You've still got your colours and your pinch, and you've still got your size of the brush, and you've still got all this, and you've still got like your horizontal and vertical lines where you're alive. But also to make things easier, if we just go back to like Photoshop, which is the easiest one in my opinion, you've also got like on the window screen you can turn things up. So say you don't want to see your tools, you can turn tools off even though you're needing it. And then you can control the window. So at the moment I'm not really using the colours much because I've already chose the colour. So you turn colours off and that removes it, or you can turn it back on. But say for example I need my brushes, so I'm going to turn my brushes on, and then I can just do a quick selection and change it on the brushes. This helps it. So then if I need like my graphic styles, you can just pick what one's more important stuff, and you can control that through the windows. Okay, this should cover all the layout. Thanks for watching.